Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this puzzle toy. And this puzzle toy has beans on both sides in 3 circular sections. This side's pink, orange and light green, and the beans on this side are red, yellow and dark green. And so today I'm going to show you how to solve this puzzle toy. And to solve it then, first of all I need to start messing up the beans. I've got different colours in different sections, so I'll do that. I'll do that first. Okay, so there we go. The puzzle toy is mixed up. The beans are mixed up on this puzzle toy, and there's two ways to move the beans around. You can either put them in this inner circle here, and they can move around from one circular section to the next circular section, like so. And then also here from this side, you can these little sort of upper swings, I suppose they're called. You can move the coloured beans from one side to the next, and both of these ways you can move the beans will be used to solve the puzzle. Okay, so firstly we're going to move matching coloured beans one at a time to each of the circular sections until there is at least 7 beans in each of those upper circles. So if I nominate this to be dark green, and if I put a green there that I'm going to want to move across to here and leave it there like that, if I move that across, watch it go slowly, then suddenly I've got that matching, or next to those other 2 beans, so I've got 3 green beans together. And oh, there we go, I've got another green bean ready to go. Move that around, and there's actually one already there. If I move those all up like that, then I've got 5 green beans together. And anything in this sort of top section, and also this bottom 3 here, as you move the circles around, these inner circles around, then they stay in place. So that's why I'm doing 7 at a time, which will just fill this upper arch of that circular section. So I've got another green bean there in the right spot. Spin it round, and that gives me 6. And one more, put that into position there, and spin it around, and there I've actually got a lot more there than I initially thought I was going to get. And spin it around, I'm going to put the reds over in this one. I've got a lot of yellows, but I'll do the reds because that sort of shows you how to do it a bit better for this demonstration. So I'll move a red to there, so I just keep moving that. Once all the beans you want to match up over here, you've just got to place in that position, and as you move it around, then it goes into place like that. And if you only put that red there to go there, another thing to show you is if you only move it halfway like that, then you can't move those beans, so it's got to go for like a fully around like that to allow you to move the bean from that middle ring into the upper circle there. And one more red, and around, and then suddenly I've got 8 there together. That's pretty good. And now the final one is the yellow. So I've got a yellow there, so I'll move that around, and suddenly I've got 6. Oh, and there's one more to go, and 7. Okay, so I've got okay, that's quite good there. So I've got in each of those, in the yellow, I've got 2 unmatched beans. I've got 2 unmatched beans there, and I've got 1, 2, 3 unmatched beans there. And so what I've got to do next is the next step. Once these outer sort of circles part are all got the matching beans, is I've got to pair up all these matching beans 4 beans apart in each circular section. So what I need to do is here, see those, I've got those 2 reds, they're unmatched beans. I need to go over to the red section, but I've got to put those 4 beans apart. and I'll show you why in a second. So at the moment they're just 2 beans apart, so I've got to move that red one down to there, and I do that by using this little upper swing section, and I put the red out the back like so, and I move it round to where I want the red, and suddenly the red is 1, 2, 3, 4 beans apart, and I move that pink from the other side around, and then the green comes back over, and then I've got the 2 reds in position. And when I put those there and then spin those reds around, then suddenly the reds are returned to the correct section. But I won't do that yet until I've done the other 2 parts. Okay, for the yellow, the same deal with the yellow. This one, those 2 unmatched beans are different colours, red and green, but that's okay. So I'll move that around to 4 beans apart. I'll do that using this upper swing section while I put that yellow back, and suddenly the green is in the right spot, but we don't want the orange there, so I'll spin that around and bring the yellow back, and suddenly I've got those in the right section. And this one there, then what I'll do is I've got 3 unmatched beans. I won't touch that dark green at the moment, but I'll do the same up here with these yellows and move those 4 beans apart the same way by bringing a different colour, putting that yellow at the back and bringing the other colour forward, moving it around to the right position, 4 beans apart, bringing the yellow back, and then getting rid of that green and bringing the red back like so. So then what you do, this is kind of a bit of the tricky part, is you move those unmatched beans into this middle circle like so, and then you spin it round and basically sort of see what happens. So this way we want the yellows to go there, we want the reds to go there, so we'll spin it clockwise, this one. I lined it up perfectly and see what happens. Okay, so what we've got now, we've got all the yellows in the right spot. We've got 1 mismatched bean in the green and 1 mismatched bean in the red. So what we'll do here is we'll move that red. This is a little bit of the tricky part. We'll move that red to 4 beans away from where that green is going to be, and we've got that. We've got the red there. So as we spin that around anti-clockwise, just line them up a little bit tricky. Then suddenly I've got those the reds 4 beans apart, I've got the yellow 4 beans apart, and then I've suddenly got the greens 4 beans apart. And if I move them to there and to there and to there like so, then I'm going to spin that around clockwise and solve the puzzle. So this is the tricky bit at the end, even though if I, wait a tick, where was that? That was there like that. Even if I move that back to where it was, before I change it, because this is the important part, a couple of things to note. Even though you've got the yellows solved, then you've got to mess them up with this bit to get them to actually solve the puzzle, because you've got these 2 odd beans to put into place. And then one other thing to note is that these, you might have to do this a number of times to actually get these beans to drop into position. But this time I've only really had to do two spins with that inner circle. So I'll push that back around again to where it was. I've got the yellows there. I'll spin the reds around like so and move this inner circle around clockwise like that. And there we go. The puzzle toy is solved. So as a bit of a summary, putting the 7 beans up into this upper circle is pretty straightforward. It just takes a little bit of practice and getting used to the puzzle. Once you've matched up these the unmatched beans, put them into this inner circle and spinning them around. It can take a number of times. I was lucky that it just took 2 goes this time, but it can take a number of times. So sort of persevere and practice, and then you'll get it. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now. And one other thing is as a little bit of a PS or an epilogue to the video. If you've got the colours, if you've got, say for instance, you've got colours that are mismatching on one side and to the other, so before you can actually solve this this puzzle, you'll have to actually move. You'll have to move the mismatched beans back to this top part here, and then swap them back like that, so that you've got the right colours in the right on the right side, and they'll still be probably mixed up on both sides. And then you can go ahead, go back to the beginning of this video, and follow those steps to solve each side. So it's I've only really looked at one side today, solving one side, but if you have colours all mixed up from one side to the other, then you've got to just bring up the colours that you want to send to the other side, put them there, spin it around until you got a matching colour that you want to coloured bean that you want to return to the other side. And then as soon as you can spin it around like so, then the colours are returned to the correct side, and then you can once you've got just 3 colours on each side, then you can solve it like I've just shown you. Okay, well that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.